What's up, Scots? I'm Isabella.
And welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Lily.
Happy New Year's, everyone.
2026 is officially here, and we're ready to kick it off at Highland High School.
Let's get the show started with some school announcements for this beautiful Friday.
The Formal Dance, A Night Under the Stars. Beautiful. It's happening tomorrow.
Get ready, Scots. It's going to be an unforgettable night.
Here are the details that you need to know.
The dance will take place at Westchester Hall, located at 2801 F Street.
The doors open at 7:30 p.m., so come ready to dance the night away.
Attention Highland students, get off your phones and listen up to this announcement.
Need help with your classes or you want to boost your grades?
After-school tutoring is available Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays in the library from 4 to 5:30 p.m.
They offer help in math, English, history, science, government, and economics, and transportation is provided after the tutoring.
Take advantage of this free support and stay on top of your classes. Finally, planning on going to the restroom during class time?
Here's a friendly reminder. You'll need to wait until after the first 10 minutes of class has started to ask your teacher.
And remember, don't ask during the last 10 minutes either, because the answer will most likely be no.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Stay locked in, Scots. The show isn't over yet.
You want to hit?
Hell yeah, man. Let me hit, bro.
Whoa, what are you doing right there, man? Are you vaping in class?
Nah, man, I don't do that.
Hey, man, we gotta go to the detail. We gotta talk about it. Come on, get up. You just a car to act, man. You know there's no vaping in class.
Ain't no way I just got caught, man.
Welcome back, Scots.
Here's a quick announcement about our next week's Spirit Week for everyone at Highland.
Hey Scots, I'm Celeste. The wait is over. Our winter rally is finally here. The theme is Winter Candyland. Monday the 12th, Nerds Day. Break out the suspenders and glasses. Tuesday the 13th, Trolley Gummy Worms. It's Mismatch Day. The crazier the better. Wednesday the 14th, Twix Day. Twin up and match with a friend. Thursday, the 15th, Airhead Day. Crazy hair or crazy hats only. And Friday, it's Rally Days, Skittles. Show your class colors, freshman blue, sophomore green, juniors white, and seniors pink. Get dressed, get loud, let's make it sweet, Scots.
Thank you for that information.
Now let's head over to our sports teams.
What's up, Scots? I'm Jesse.
And I'm Yes, and welcome back to sports.
Let's get into the sports announcements.
First, have you ever wondered what it's like to launch into the air, clear your bag, and twist like a pretzel while doing it?
Say no more. The track and field team is calling all future high jumpers.
If you're interested in competing in a high jump this year, stop by and see Coach Tapman in room 3E during lunch today ASAP.
Next up, check out this video all about track and field.
Who knows, it might just inspire you to join the team.
And be part of something great this season.
1 minute to post time, approaching the gate. They're at the post. Now they're moving in the gate. Open right. Straight out, show number 1A, Outrigger first, number 3, Destiny turn, place second right, Great Dome was third.
Remember, Scots, show up and support your friends at each event.
That'll be all for us.
Have a great day.
Peace out, Scots.
Hey Scots, I'm Jasleen Botello. The SAT school day exam will be held on Wednesday, March 4th in the library. It's open to juniors and you don't need to have taken the PSAT. The cost is $33 with payment due at the finance office. The registration deadline is Friday, January 30th. The testing times are from 9 to 12 or 1 to 4. Bring your ID, pencil, and calculator. See your counselor if you have any questions.
That's it for today.
We'll see you next week.
And always,
Remember to plat up.